Welcome to another video. We are going to import a 3D scanned airplane within Blender at its true scale. As we can see in the info section on the Artec 3D website, this Klemm L25d VIIR LX-MA airplane is an exhibit at the Aviation Museum in Mondorf-les-Bains, Luxembourg. The airplane is hung from the ceiling of the tall museum building and would therefore be an insurmountable challenge for a short-range scanner, but not for Artec Ray, which can scan an object from up to 110 meters away. This is the case study Klemm L25d VIIR LX-MA airplane, which is currently exhibited at the Aviation Museum in Mondorf-les-Bains, Luxembourg. Artec Ray was placed in 26 different positions around the airplane to make a complete 3D model. As we can see, it wasn't easy to scan this plane, since the view was partially obstructed by some of the other exhibits on show. Also, there was a staircase in the middle of the hall, which meant that they couldn't place the scanner right under the plane. Okay, let's check the 3D file formats available on the website. These can be used under Creative Commons License v4. On the same page, we see there is an STL file and a WRL file. I have chosen to use the WRL file as this has a lower size due to the fact that it compresses better when zipped. The unzipped WRL file has over 150 megabytes. This will take several seconds to load up, depending on the used hardware configuration. Once this has been loaded, we can frame the selected element by pressing the period button on the numpad. We need to adjust the clipping plane, as this is by default set to 1000 meters, and our plane has been imported scaled by 1000. I will increase the clipping plane to 50,000 meters. If we measure the plane, we can better visualize its current scale. Now I will scale the plane using a value of 0.001 to bring it to its true size. Afterwards, press the period button on the numpad again to reframe the scaled down model. Now, using the grab and rotate tool, I will realign the plane to the ground plane within Blender. Feel free to rotate it multiple times to align it according to your needs. I will remeasure the airplane both on the vertical and horizontal axis to see the overall dimensions to better understand the true scale of the airplane. As presented within the information panel on the Artec 3D website, the pilots and the windscreen were modeled in third-party software. I will enable the statistics to see the vertices count of the 3D scan. As we can see, the windscreen area has some rough faces. I will also enable cavity shading to better visualize the quality of the mesh. I hope you find this kind of content useful. I encourage you to check the other 3D models available for free on their website. Consider to support my channel if you want more similar videos in the future. Thanks for watching.